Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Mickey Mouse animated talking lamp. This is Michael and Clara's equipment from Texas, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now, they have a note with this unit, and they're talking about that they purchased it used. I guess they found out it didn't work, and then they started looking into the unit, and they replaced the fuse, and it didn't do anything. When these units are surged by voltage, basically what happens is it generally takes out other electronic components. We want to go ahead and troubleshoot this unit. We've already started that process, and we know that the unit was surged by electric. What we want to do is go ahead and show you the bottom of this unit. And this control board has some pretty serious issues going on, and that controls all of your animation, the talking, and it also controls the light on and off. And so basically the light does work at this time when you put a fuse in it, but the problem is the light is stuck on, and then you have no animation and you don't have any talking. So there's some pretty serious issues going on, and some of the parts to this lamp are proprietary to the circuit design of this particular lamp. Parts are not really readily available for this unit unless it's a generic part, but the proprietary parts would not be able to be found unless you had some type of a parts lamp, and then you would have to hope that those parts are good. So it is a serious issue. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished troubleshooting this unit, and we've made multiple repairs. And what we want to do is check this unit out before we put everything back together again. And we went ahead and plugged this unit in, and now I want to go ahead and turn our switch on.
What a bright idea!
And then we want to press our button that goes through turning the lamp off and on and goes through the animation.
Lights out!
We'll do that again.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll turn it off.
So long, pal.
You don't want to turn these lamps on and off real quick. You need to give them a little bit of a time before you turn it on and off quickly, because the circuitry is pretty delicate on these lamps, and so you always want to give it a little bit before you turn it off and on real quickly. So I'm going to try that again.
Ah, that's better.
And now we're going to turn the unit off.
See you real soon.
We also had some issues inside Mickey, so we had to take care of those issues also. So there was multiple repairs made. We're going to go ahead and take a short break from the video. We're going to put Mickey back together again, and we'll come back for the final checkout. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse talking lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Whenever you plug the power in to this type of lamp, you always want to make sure that the switch in the back is in the off position. Then you can unplug it and then plug it back in somewhere else and then turn the switch on. It's not a good idea to have that switch on and then plug it in or unplug it. Now there's a sticker, and this one is missing, and it's on the socket, and they will say that this lamp you can use a 75-watt bulb in. And if you're using a regular bulb, I would not use a 75-watt bulb. It's too much heat. It will also yellow Mickey out. The lampshades are very delicate, and basically if you could maybe use a 40 in a regular bulb, that would be best. Now the better way to go is to use a newer style LED bulb. They're plenty bright. They do not cause the heat that the older style bulbs will give off. We're going to go ahead and turn our switch on.
What a bright idea.
And then we'll give it a second. Like we mentioned earlier, it's not good to turn these lamps on and off quickly. We'll go ahead and turn Mickey off.
Lights out.
We'll give it a second. Turn him back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
And Mickey has a lot of different sayings when you turn the lamp on and when you turn him off. That's really cool. We'll go ahead and turn Mickey off.
So long, pal.
We'll give it a second and we'll turn it on one last time.
Ah, that's better.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse talking lamp has been repaired, we can return it to Michael and Clara, and they can enjoy this really cool lamp. Mickey is a very sought after lamp, and it's very collectible, and I'm sure he's going to look great no matter where they use him. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.